to the G127 science demonstration. Today I'm going to do an experiment and I'm going to demonstrate to you a very interesting property of water called cohesion. So what you will need is basically a glass. Then you'll just need any form of peso or coin or penny, whatever. Just a coin. And then you'll need water to put in the glass. I put it half full for now. I'm gonna fill it up later. I'm gonna take my Jollibee cup and I'm gonna pour it into this cup. Guys, I love Jollibee, by the way. I actually got this cup at a party when I was 8 or 9. Memories. So you want to fill the cup of water until it is completely full. And to make sure that it's completely full, it's a little bit under. I'm gonna add a little more water. So it's not to make a mess on your table. If your parents don't want you to make a mess, you can put newspapers on your table. Yeah, so now this cup is completely full with water, as you can see. Now I'm gonna ask you, how many pesos do you think we can fit into this glass of water? This is a pile of 10. You think you can fit 10? Maybe even 20? So now we're gonna start putting the pesos in. So what you need to do, you don't drop it in immediately. You have to break through the water a little bit, then drop it. And just break through the water, drop it. 2. Then you're gonna 3. 10. We've gone through 10. Let's try our next stack. We've already got 20 inside there. Let's see if we can get another set of 10 in there. 21. It's filled. So, in this experiment, we were able to fit 20 pesos into this glass, full glass of water without spilling. This is how many. That seems like a lot, right? Were you surprised at how many pesos we were able to fit in? And if you did the experiment, you probably could see it better. But actually, this water is actually going above the glass, slightly. Not a whole lot, but slightly over the glass. You're probably wondering why. It seems counterintuitive. You would think that if the water went over the glass, it would spill. Well, the reason why water is able to go over the glass is because of surface tension. Surface tension makes it seem like there's a skin over the water holding the water inside. Surface tension comes from water's property of being cohesive. When I say that water is cohesive, what I mean is that water molecules are attracted to one another, and so they tend to stick together. I hope you learned something, and if you enjoyed this video, please check out our channel. There we also have math videos and also some origami videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.